Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Google. First, understand that playing Fortnite on Google means using a cloud gaming service. These services stream the game to your browser, eliminating the need for a powerful PC or console. You simply access the service through a web browser, log in, and start playing. It's a straightforward way to enjoy Fortnite. To begin, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Edge, and go to the Cloud Gaming Services website. You'll need to create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Many services offer a free tier or trial, so check those options. Make sure your browser is updated to its latest version for the best experience. Once you're logged into the Cloud Gaming Service, use the search bar or browse the game library to find Fortnite. Click on the game's icon and it will begin streaming to your browser. While you can sometimes use a keyboard and mouse, a compatible game controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, offers a much better experience. For the best Fortnite experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of 20 Mbps or more. A wired Ethernet connection can significantly reduce lag compared to Wi-Fi. Also, consider adjusting Fortnite's in-game graphics settings to performance mode if available, to prioritize smooth gameplay over visual fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.